everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's London. Today I'm doing a makeup look that I have been currently obsessed with. I wore this makeup look around the holidays, and with Valentine's Day coming up, something that I can see myself wearing again. It's quite simple, but it gives a very elegant and a glammy look. It is a little bit different from my usual looks that gear towards more of the Korean makeup style. But once in a while, I do like to extend and try different looks. Also, please do excuse my pronunciation throughout this video. My jaw is super discombobulated from going to the dentist for the past month. Yeah, let's get started. So I already moisturized my face, so I'm gonna go in with some good old Vaseline and moisturize my lips. Definitely don't forget your sunscreen. I'm not going out, so I won't be using it. But on days that I do go out, I definitely do put sunscreen on. Next up, we're going to be using primer to blot out those big nasty pores. I usually just do my T-zone and here. I'm going to go in with my foundation, and this is a matte and poreless foundation. So it's going to give me extra coverage and that poreless look. Just gonna dot it everywhere first. Skin is terrible. Blend out. This also works really well covering my dark circles. Next up is concealer, of course. I have 3 dots here, not too much. It out. Make a triangle, kind of just reach down. And it up here. So it looks even. Next up are eyebrows, and I always use an eyebrow pencil just to make it more sharp, make my eyebrows look more sharp and more precision. It looks weird on camera, but I promise you, in real life it's even. We're gonna go in and do some shading. So I'm gonna use a small brush and just some eyeshadow and shade my nose. From here, just straight down. Here, try to create a triangle and swoop it to get those like natural shadows out. Sometimes I'm really hesitant about making it really dark, but just get in there, girl. Shade the side of the nose. Sometimes I like to do like this. I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow and a different brush for contouring my face. This is an eyeshadow I went to, what is it? It's from Moly. I wanted something small and compact. Yeah, they didn't have it, just like contour kits. So she recommended this color, and it's been working pretty well. Anyway, I'm gonna load it up and just kind of squish this to make it thin, more thin, and just contour the side of my face. Jawline, like over here. I'm gonna go ahead and powder my face just to make my pores look smaller, and also prevents oiliness throughout the day. There you go, a lot better now. Ooh. I'm gonna bake under my eyes to prevent my eyeliner from smudging. I'm actually just using my fingers and lightly dabbing it. We're gonna let that sit for a bit, and now I'm going to tightline my eyes. It's gonna look a little bit gross and weird, but you know the drill. I usually like to tightline a little bit over the part that my lashes are at, Like this one, for example, you kind of see the lashes. It's tight lined under and over the lashes a bit. Whereas this one is, you see how it's like super harsh and just very unnatural. If I make a wing eyeliner, it's gonna look a lot more natural and smooth on this side compared to here, which is going to have some empty spaces. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and dust off. I'll try to record my eyeliner, but it's not probably gonna happen because I need to like look and focus on the camera. But yeah, I'll be right back. Whew. Okay, I got it. So I'm gonna be using these lashes right here from good old AliExpress. And as you can see, I've already cut them up into small pieces. So in Korea, they actually cut up their eyelashes and put it under their eyelash instead of over it. It looks more natural, but honestly, cutting it and putting it under lashes always takes me the longest. But it's definitely going to be worth it. I will, however, curl my lashes slightly just so that it's not weighing down the other lashes. So I kind of forgot about my eyeshadows, but it's okay, we make mistakes and you just gotta improvise. I'm gonna use the same contouring eyeshadow, or like a really dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna add it to the outer corner of my eyes just to kind of deepen it, and then use the excess towards the middle. Just gonna shape our eyes a bit. This is Mamonde's Creamy Tint Colored Lip Balm Intense, and just gonna add going to first blot the excess Vaseline just a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with my lip fixer. This is going to lock in the color. We're gonna let it dry for a few minutes. Dry now. I'm gonna be using NYX's Butter Gloss and Ginger Snap, my go-to glam lip product. If I don't know what to wear for like a special event, this is my jam. It's just such a beautiful color, and yeah, no, I'll show you. Voila! Alright everyone, so this is the finished look. Always happy with the results. I think it looks really great on people who have more tan skin. As you know, I have natural beige skin tone. Like and subscribe down below if you'd like to see more videos like this. I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.